Wait. As a responsible citizen, I have done my part. My vote is not a secret. And indeed, for the legacy to continue, we put the crossway, boys and girls.
We went to go vote for President Dr. Kinko.
The young ones knows. And as a person who have managed the SWAPO Party Curriculum Development Project that led to the establishment of the SWAPO Party School, I need to know that indeed I can hold my leadership and my party accountable. Our president has said it, this is a year of accountability, and indeed, we have done our part. SWAPO as an organization has ideology and it does not teach corruption. As individuals, just like we are from one house, and there are always those who do not obey their parents, so it's the same with those who commit corruption acts within SWAPO. It's not done as a collective decision by the organization. Therefore, we give the mandate to the SWAPO party and its presidential candidate, Dr. Hake
Kinko.
to lead us into prosperity. SWAPO is for unity, hard work, peace and stability. We are Namibia. One Namibia, one nation.